start and just stop me if you stop seeing me or anything network issue or anything, right? Okay. So let me start because I know few things about you. So I'll say and correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Your name
Okay.
is
Please.
Pradeep. You are a YouTuber. You have a YouTube channel which is Inkster Pradeep. You are from Andhra Pradesh and you are, I think, pursuing your engineering, right?
Yes, I am. Uh,
Okay.
Absolutely correct, Anmol. And let me
And
say
most
about you.
important most important thing is I am your subscriber. Okay?
Oh my God,
Yeah,
this
I
is a
am.
big thing.
No, this is not a
And
big thing. Uh, one more thing I want to say. I don't know whether you remember or not. Initially, I think couple of months back, when I was trying to sign in Clappingo, I was facing some issues and I asked you questions and you were the only person who replied on my questions and you helped me out to sign in Clappingo. So thank you so much.
pleasure is mine too. Thank you. And yeah, I remember it now.
Okay.
And yeah,
So,
let me say about you as well. You're Arshi. You are doing a job in MNC company, and yeah, I think that's it. I have been watching your videos for an hour. Yeah, before work.
okay. Okay. Perfect. We know each other pretty well, right?
Yes, yes.
All right. All right. So tell me something about your place. I can see a beautiful place, and I'm like feeling envy, like because we are from city, so we rarely get a chance to see this beautiful views. So yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I am from a far-flung village named Garisingi in Andhra Pradesh. It's a remote village. I mean, we couldn't get the correct proper signals here, so that I have to come this place. You can see the mountain.
Okay.
Can you see the mountains?
Yes, yes, yes. I can.
Yes, on greenery and yeah.
Oh my God. So
And,
have you come far away from your home for the sake of signal or network?
yes, yes, and not
Okay.
far away. Actually, I'm a son of a farmer, and yeah, I mean, we were sent to homes because of this pandemic. So my online classes are going, and and I took my cattle to the fields to feed them, and yeah, now I came here for the signal and also to talk to you.
Okay, so very often you come here for your classes, maybe for your classes as well.
Yeah, at my home, at the terrace, I can get the signal, but yeah, today is my duty to look after the cattle, actually. So I can,
True,
yeah,
true.
my brother. I have a brother, actually, he is looking after the cattle these days, but today is my duty, so I came
Oh
here.
my God, that's really nice. So this is like one day you will go and one day I'll go.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, alternate days.
Yes, yes. And yes, I have been watching your conversations with Anushka ma'am and Parveen Khan, and yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
Parveen
yeah,
Khan is my favorite tutors on Clapping.
yeah. I know she's your favorite tutor. You have mentioned in your video, right?
Yes, yes, and also most of my Clapping sessions were with her only. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah,
Like
perfect.
face of the Parveen Khan, I mean, she put like this in the thumbnail, but by seeing friends in your thumbnail, and I got it. She is definitely Parveen Khan because there is friends in that thumbnail and video.
I could barely hear you. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Uh, Actually, yeah, in your video's thumbnail, I couldn't recognize the face of Parveen Khan, but there is a you have typed friends, FRIEND, yes, friends on your thumbnail.
Yes,
So
yes.
that she is going to be definitely Parveen Khan because of that friends. Because yeah,
Yeah,
she
yeah.
is
She's
easy for
biggest fan of that series.
yes, me as well.
Oh,
That's the reason we connect often. We connected up. Yeah.
All right, Pradeep. So yeah, I also talked to her. I mean, about series and Friends. She explained Friends a lot. Like she is the craziest fan, and if I'm like planning, like not to watch Friends, but anyone can get influenced by her Friends things,
Yes.
so that everyone would like to watch. She
Yes.
explained
You're
very
right.
well. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. And she has watched Friends like more than 10 to 12 times. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. I don't know how crazy she is. I mean, she can watch the whole series for more than 10 times. This is just the craziest thing.
Yes. Yes. And I'm watching it for the second time. I have completed watching the whole series one time, and yeah, I came to that again. First season.
Oh, I am not even able to finish it at first time only. How bad I am.
Yeah, no issues. Yeah, it will be good. If you're busy with the job, and yeah, I am a student. I don't have much free time, but you're
Yeah,
yeah.
maybe. So it is interesting, right?
Yes, it is interesting, funny. Yeah, you will love it if you watch. Yeah.
Okay, okay. It depends actually. When more episodes we will watch, I think we will get more interest, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Good clapping the sessions going on.
My clapping sessions are going well. I'm learning a lot. I'm enjoying my sessions, and yeah, people are also commenting me that it's helpful for them. So I'm pretty satisfied with all the things going on. So yeah.
I'm to take my second subscription. Yeah, so
Okay, you're planning to take your second subscription. Okay, go on, go on. Yeah, it's interesting. You will get to learn a lot of things, right? From there. The tutors are also very good.
have improved a lot. I have seen your videos for the first video. Your demo session with Anushka, and now you are very fluent. And yeah, you are
Oh,
fluent. That
actually, yeah, I was very nervous in my first video, and yeah, you're right. Now I'm a bit confident for whatever I'm saying.
yeah,
All right, and I got to know that you also like reading. So what do you read?
I love to read books like personality development books and novels. I mostly read novels and these personality development books, like Robin Sharma's book, 5 a.m. Club, and Who Will Cry When You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Yeah, these type of books.
Okay, Robin
I've
Sharma's.
read novels of yeah, Chetan. I read novels by Chetan Bhagat. That's it. And in my
Me
mother tongue.
too, me too, me too, me too. Okay, in your mother tongue, is it available
Yes, no, I read Chetan
online?
Bhagat's novel in English. Yeah, I read novels in my mother tongue, some Telugu novels.
Okay, that's really nice. Your mother tongue is Telugu, right? You're from Andhra
Yes,
Pradesh.
yes,
Okay. So can you say few things in Telugu so that I'll get to know? I mean, how are you or something like that?
yes. How are you? Means in one sentence, Baunara, Baunara, and this is
Maunara.
yes, yes. You said it correct. Eh, that
Oh,
means you you can say I'm fine, Baunana in one sentence.
oh,
Baunana. If you want to reply like for Baunara, you can say Baunana. That's it. That's how I.
okay. So these two sentences are very easy.
Yeah, yeah. It
Okay.
in many ways, but it is the easiest one for how are you and the reply for that.
Okay, there are many ways to say how are you and I'm fine, but you are telling me the easiest one.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's really nice. I also watched Robin Sharma's one that is Who Will Cry When You Die. I love that one.
Yes, yes,
I,
yes. That's a
that
great
was
book.
really nice.
It's on page. You can, if you're not reading it, I mean, if you don't have the mood to read more pages, but you can, you can get from one page. Yeah,
Yeah,
every
that's
page
the
has a best
yes,
part of
that's
that.
the best part. Best part about that. I also like that much because like you don't feel like, oh my God, when I'm gonna finish this book. You just get more and more interest because every chapter has new things to learn in that particular book. So I love that a lot.
Yes, yes. And what other books do you love to read? What other genre?
Chetan Bhagat, Chetan Bhagat, same. I also watch Chetan Bhagat. Then
Oh,
I also read. I'm sorry.
okay, yeah, I got.
I also read Chetan Bhagat and then Durjoy Datta. I like his books as well. Durjoy Datta. I don't know whether you have heard about his name or not.
The name for the first time.
Okay, and Kriti Shenoy. She's also a good writer.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah. I also
What a-
like novels because novel is something you can hold your interest till the end.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yes. What
Yeah,
are
tell me.
the hobbies? Yeah. What are the hobbies apart from reading?
Okay, yeah, my hobbies. I love dancing. I know it will sound little weird or little crazy, but I love dancing and I do that when I feel so happy. I I dance with my sister. I love dancing a lot.
Wow,
That's my
that
hobby.
that's good.
What's
So, are
yours?
you? Yeah, I listen to music, watching the movies or web series, and yeah, reading books. These are my major hobbies. That's it. I don't have more than.
Great. You're asking something.
No, yeah, I'm not asking. Are you trained dancer or have you trained in any classical dance or
No. I'm not trained. I can say I'm a bad dancer. I love dance a lot. I like a few dance forms. Like I love classical. I really wanted to learn classical, but due to some circumstances, I was not able to. But in future, if I'll get a chance to learn classical dance form, I would love to. Whenever I'll get a chance or time, because nowadays time is a precious thing. You rarely get time to fulfill your hobbies or things which is not that important. That's
yes,
why
yes,
I'm saying. And I also like hip hop. That dance
okay,
form I like a lot.
that's great.
But I'm not a trained dancer.
Okay, no, but yeah, you love dance, that's it. And yeah,
Yes,
I
I
also
love.
sing songs. I'm not a good singer. I'm a bad singer, but yeah, I love to listen to songs. I wish I could learn the uh, music. I mean,
Singing.
Carnatic, like, but yeah, I know I don't. I mean, I didn't practice it well, even though I have. I mean, we have the department of music for performing arts.
In your college or school?
Yeah, in my college.
Okay. Then you should have tried.
Yes, I have tried, but I haven't practiced well. Yeah.
Okay. No issues because hobbies are not something you have to be perfect. It is something you like to do. That's it.
Yes, that's it. Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely correct.
Okay, I have seen your short videos for motivational videos or like I think recently you started uploading those short videos, right? I get a notification
Yes.
for that.
Okay.
And you shoot those video in your surrounding and the view is really like one video was there was raining, right? Raining and you shot the video. I saw that. That was very beautiful. So you you
Thank
you
you.
like to do that.
Yes, yes. I tried. I'm trying it. I know.
Again, I can barely hear you, Pradeep. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm trying to do the shorts. But yeah,
Okay,
I didn't
sure.
get these dates. I'm busy with my online exams and classes, so I haven't uploaded any video these days. Yeah, for a week, I think.
All right, all right. Your exams are around the corner, or
Yes,
it
yes,
has started.
yes. It has ended yesterday.
Okay,
Like,
now you can free. Now you're
yes,
free.
yes,
You can
I'm
upload the
free.
video.
Yes,
Okay, perfect, perfect. Then I think we are having conversation on a good time, at a good
yes,
time.
yes, yes. At a
Okay.
good time. Yes,
Yes.
that's
I am
so.
also free today because today is my week off. Today is a Friday,
Oh,
so I don't have any work today. That's why I asked you to let's connect on Friday.
that's great. And I also loved your name, channel name. Let's converse. I love that as a phrase. Let's converse. That's great.
Yeah, it's short and I mean simple. Because the thing is that conversation was something I was looking for. So I
Yeah.
the thing is that I didn't think much about my channel name because I really don't know about YouTube. I'm just learning things. Now also I don't know small things. I just have to search for everything. Today itself I have searched like how to add subtitles because I don't know about it, and lots of the people ask me in the comments that ma'am please add subtitles, and I was like please don't call me ma'am, and for subtitles I'll try. But when I searched today I thought it's difficult, so I'll think about it. I'm not sure.
You can, I mean, you can type the subtitles in the Kainos. It will take more time, or we have to type
Yeah,
all the words. It
everything.
will, yeah.
It is
And
not
yeah,
possible, I think, every video. I don't think
yes,
it's
yes, yes.
possible. And
And
being
yeah,
an engineer, I think. Mm-hmm. Yeah, tell me.
I was also asked for that, but yeah, yeah, because it is taking much more time, so I haven't added that. That's what I'm
Exactly.
saying.
I barely get time to edit my videos. How could I add the subtitles in that? It's very time consuming. If someone is like completely devoting himself or herself in the YouTube, then obviously he can or she can do that. But people like us who are doing it as a hobby or as a like helping people,
Yeah,
so I think we cannot do that. It's difficult. It's not impossible. It's difficult. It's time consuming.
yes, yes. So you were saying something. I haven't interrupted you. Please go on.
I was saying that being an engineer, or as you are pursuing your engineering, you must have a lot of knowledge about YouTube, technical things and all. So you guys can do things easily, but people like us who are from decent background or from non-technical background, it's very difficult to learn things for us. And for me, I'm very dumb in technical things. I barely know things. So yeah, it's really difficult for me, but I'm trying.
Even I'm from a civil engineering background. I'm not from CSE, but yeah, I too have started my YouTube channel with zero knowledge. I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know even. I don't even know how to edit the videos. I started. I have started this channel just like that, and yeah, I have searched for everything: how to get thumbnails, how to create thumbnails, how to edit the videos, and all by watching all the videos on YouTube. And yeah, I learned it. I've learned.
Okay, but see, the best thing is if we try, we can learn everything, right?
Yes, I have realized that actually by
Yes,
starting my
me,
YouTube channel.
me too. What else?
And yeah, actually before connecting, I have think. I mean, I have thought. I mean, yeah, I have think. I don't know. I'm not getting
You
the
thought
right
a
word.
lot. You thought
Yeah,
a
I
lot.
thought about our conversation, and yeah, I would discuss this with this, but now I haven't get the. I didn't get any word.
You forgot everything.
Yes,
But that's the best thing. If we don't plan
because
anything,
yeah.
we can.
Yes. Please go on.
No, you were saying something. Tell me.
I forgot.
Oh, that's fine. I was saying it's better if we don't plan anything, because when we have a conversation without planning, I think we can talk whatever you want, and we can make mistakes as well. That is the real conversation. If you make mistake, if you plan things, then that is like a, what should I say? Rectification. Sorry, I'm not getting the word.
I will surely agree with you. And I think it's been 2 weeks. I think I had a conversation. It's my first conversation after 2 weeks. I lost the flow of speaking in English. So yeah, that's I'm fumbling a lot in our conversation.
No, that's completely fine. Even I'm making a lot of mistakes. You're correcting me somewhere. That's really fine. I'm correcting you somewhere. That's the real conversation, right? Because we both are
Yes,
learning. We are on the same page.
yes, we are on the
But it's
same page, and we are
really,
supposed.
yes.
Yeah, that's
But it's
great.
really nice talking to you because you are very friendly. I mean, that's what I have expected. I have seen your. I'm not sure how many videos I have seen with other YouTubers. I think I barely watch one or two videos, and I got to know that you're a very humble person and honest one, and yeah, that's what I'm feeling right now also. You are simple,
Uh,
sweet, humble.
Thank you for the compliments, and so are you.
Oh, thank you. All right, Pradeep. So, do you have any question to ask me or anything?
Mm, Nope, I don't. Yeah, I just want to say it's pleasure talking to you, and you're very friendly talking. I have a friendly conversation with you. You made my day.
Same. Oh my God, this is just too much. Thank you so much. And yeah, we can also collab in future. I just hope that we will do that.
Yeah, sure, sure.
It's really, really nice talking to you, Pradeep. Thank you so much for joining me.
Talking to you, and have a great day.
You too. Bye. Thanks. Take care.
Bye. You too. Take care. Have a great day.
You too.